Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. This is French and Pinay Simple Life in the Philippines. Once again, it's a beautiful day here in Bohol, Philippines, specifically here in our area. So it's been a while. We're doing good. It's already 11 o'clock in the morning. I heard Christian run the generator and the small house, our outside house for the goats. So let's go check on him. He did a lot of project and the project is ongoing until now for the goats. I think he is welding and he is using the generator for that. Also, he used the generator for the concrete mixer. So there's always a lot of things to do here around, especially for Christian, because there are a lot of projects that I cannot do. So we got rain. We got a lot of rain few days ago, but now, as you can see, as of now, the clouds are very clear. Sometimes thunderstorm after lunch. So the goats are everywhere taking shelter, and you can see the napier grass for the goats really appreciate the rain last time. So even the papayas there, we already eat some ripe papayas and they are very delicious. They are very good. So let's go to Christian. It's been a while. You don't see my actor. He's always working. But don't worry guys, we always get a good rest as well. Han! As you can see here, I already planted also napier grass on this side. It's a lot of... we harvested few times already from this part. And Christian is right there. That's another new goat house for especially for the male goats. We need to separate two of our young goats, two young male, and because they're not allowed to mate with the relatives, and hopefully soon we can sell the two young male. And the male that we have who mate all of the female goats, this one, we need also to put him together with the two young male on this new house, because especially during dinner, he would this one this one here would not like to to share the food with the others. So they eat their dinner there. But this male here, the number 11 male, hey, he would not like to share with the others. We put them numbers. So this one is 11, and Christian also purchased collars for them from online. So all of our goats have collars now. It's more easy to catch them if we need for example, if we need to tie them on a rope, or if we need to deworm them, so it's more easy with the collar. So Christian, you see a lot of changes since the last video that I made. So he spent a lot of time for welding, especially for welding the bars, because that will be the floor to put the plastic floor, just like this type of floor there. But this one here is not. This is the first and oldest goat house that we have, and originally they were bamboo floor, and then Christian just put the plastic floor there. But except on the last part there, it's no metal floor. So here, and on the other one that I showed, in the other room that I showed earlier in this video, Christian already made a lot of effort to weld the angle bars to have a stable and strong floor for the plastic floor. And few days also, he made also a lot of work for the post to support this angle bar floor. So of course he need a strong and stable post for that, because the angle bars are heavy, and he made the permanent that one. He just put the hollow blocks, and then he concreted also the bottom, and then he made also a new post there too. So that's 1 and 2. So he cut a PVC. And what's the size of that PVC, Han? 1? I 2? I'm very far. 10 centimeters. Okay. But Han, you need to remove the PVC after. We cannot. Ah. So the room for where we stock all the stuff for outside, especially for the goats stuff for the goats. You can also see a lot of changes since the last video that I uploaded. I think the last video was Christian was working on the bamboo walls, and now you can see everything is closed now. So he completed all the bamboo walls there, and then he changed the bamboo walls here with the PVC, because this will there's a faucet there for the water, and for the water, bamboo walls is not very nice. That's why it's a good idea to replace with the Hardy Flex. Goats are watching me. They are curious what I am talking. No, I'm not talking about you guys. And look at the two, the mother and the male. Look at the two goats. They are watching me. That's the baby goat that we feed through battle, because the mother, this white mother, do not breastfeed him. You're now on my vlog, huh? You are really listening. And I don't know if they recognize each other. So maybe the baby recognize the mother, but the mother do not recognize her kid. Huh? Do you understand me? So yeah, this is what I was talking earlier. That this floor has already angle bars frame under also, like what Christian is doing there. And they are more stable and strong and will last longer. How many years Han the angle bars will last? How many years it will last? 100 years? And he
for a long time.
correctly what?
A good maintenance.
Ah, like if you always put anti-rust,
Yes, friend.
but you will no longer paint that.
Huh?
You will no longer paint that.
When I see to solve, I will paint.
With the red oxide only. He also concreted there yesterday to stop the soil erosion. Am I right, Han? That's the edge of the of that room for the male goats. So he concreted the edge to stop the soil from here to erode on that side, because that is deeper. That's deeper.